welcome to the last session of this tutorial. We're going to have last time we did the home page, editing the home page, how to edit this part, the sliders, the buttons, the session, and also discuss how to edit the contact us detail here, get in touch, and also this part. So if you could remember, we said we could not edit this part because it's calling from the book session. This part is calling from the sermon session, and then this part is calling from the event session. So we're going to deal with today how to edit all that session. So now I'm just going to log in, which you know how to log in already. So I'm in. So let me go back to the home page. Okay, so we have the content structure. You might not be seeing this on yours depending on the permission you have, but certainly you'll be seeing this part. Now what you do here is you go to content. Let's start with the about us page. How do you edit this page? You click the page. So those parts that are pages, you just edit it directly. Then the parts that are loop that you see several of it, like books, the sermon that you upload almost every time, you are going to edit it from the content type. Now this is a page about us. All you need to do is you see it down to this point. You just come, once you're an admin, come here and click edit. Click edit here. It's going to take you to the full page session. So we have it. Now this is the about us. This is a summary, and then this is the contents. You can see all the images down to this part. I can change anything I want to change here. Let's say I add one to this. Anything. I can add image. If I want to add image, I just click here, and then I go over, select the image from my gallery, and then I can select the image to be in. Do I want it to be center? Do I want a caption on it? Then you can just say yes. Okay, enter alternative image. So I just click yes. So you see the image directly here. You can see it. So whatever image you want to enter is so easy right here. And then the tags, you can add more tags to it. You can see the examples here. You enter the tag, put a comma, enter, put a comma down. Then upload, you can upload image here, the same thing. Very easy. If you want to remove this, you can just remove this one. Let's remove it and upload a different image. You can see once you do remove, you click it, you look for the image, you upload. Once you're done uploading, enter anything here, enter any text here, and that's all. You click save. Automatically, let's publish it and see. So you can see this image is here, this is here, this is here, down to this part. You can see everything we've edited. They are all showing and they are working very, very fine. So that's for about us. The same thing you're going to do for this page. The same thing you're going to do for this, because this is a basic page. You can see the same thing. But this sermon, we're going to take it from the session, the sermon session. So go to content, click on content. So from content, you come this way, you select what? Sermon is it, and you filter. So you can see the ones we have here. You can see the one we have here. Grace to finish Christian race in heaven. You can see all of them. They are all here. I'll go back to the site. They are all here. You can see all these content type. They are all from sermon content type. So if we go to sermon now, let's see. You can see grace to finish content. You can see them here. That's it. We have them here. So if you want to edit, it's very easy. Just come here and click edit. When you click here, edit, you see to take you here, and then you can change the title. You can change the text of that message. You can change the content here. Type anything you want here. You can change the name of the pastor. You can change the date of the sermon. You can change if there's a YouTube link or not. And then audio, if there's audio, if there's not, you leave it. If there's PDF, you upload it. Then the image of the preacher here, and then you click save. That's all you do here. So now you can edit it. Let's assume you want to add new one. All you do is you come to content. You can either click content or you click, just hover here, go to add new, and then you see sermon. Or you click content. So if you are the type of person that love the harder way, so okay. So you click content, you click add new content, and then you click select sermon here. So whichever one you're doing is the same thing. So all you do, you enter the title of the sermon here, enter the text like you saw it, enter the body of the message here, you enter the name of the pastor, the preacher, you enter the YouTube. If there's a YouTube link, you enter it. If there's audio, recorded audio, you enter it. MP3, AVV. If there's PDF, you enter PDF. The image of the pastor, you upload it here. That's all you do, and you click submit. Once you save, you're going to have it listed on it. Let's assume I'm saying um, the topic of the sermon is love. So you come here, what's the text? Genesis 1 verse 1. So you come here, type anything in the body. You type by who is the pastor, you just type it. Select the date. You can see it's a date picker. Select the date of it. Then is there YouTube? Is there this? Is there this? Select the picture. You, you can see something. When you have this asterisk, it means that it is compulsory. So if you don't fill this part, you can't submit the form. You can see it's not here and it's not here. So select it and then just put the text of the person. Let's say this is me, and then you click save. Once you click save, it's going to take you to the sermon page. You can see it. You can see what I just did now. You can see that video that was there. You can see the text is here. Everything is here. By the time I go back to content sermon, let me reload this page, and you see that my sermon is not showing here. You can see it. It's not showing here as part of it. So, but I'm going to delete this. So for me to delete it, I just have to I'll go back to content, click on content, and then I will select filter it to sermon, or filter it here. And I'm going to see the love, the one I just created now. You can see the date. I just click here and say delete. So to tell me, are you sure you want to delete this? Once you do it, it cannot be undone, blah. You just click delete. Then it's gone. It's going to see the sermon love has been deleted successfully. So that's for sermon. The same thing you can do for other content. Let's say you want to add books. We have the books session here. Let's go to the book session. Book session. So if you click from here, content, add new content, books to take you here. Enter the title of the book. Enter the body of the book, any maybe um, info or something. Enter the image of the book. There the PDF of the book. Upload it. What's the price? You enter it here. Who is the author? You enter it here, and you click save. Automatically, it's going to appear as part of this book session here you have here. So you can still do same thing for, let's just go through them for church branch. Let's say you want to add a branch to a church. This will have that section. Contact us. Under contact us, you go straight down. Go straight down. You can see it. Headquarter Edo State, Benin, down to this point. If you want to add more section, you just come here and type. Let's say the name is Lagos. That's the branch. Who is the pastor there? Just put this. What's the branch state? Lagos. Phone number of the um can be 00 something. So address can be 77 the 8 Ikoyi, Lagos. So you just enter it and then you click save. Once you click save here, it's going to save. Maybe it populates in. You can see it populates in, but here it's going to show is here. Let's refresh this place and see what happens. You can see the Lagos branch is here, Lagos. So that's how it's going to go. Just try upload everything you see, then come in here. So that's the same thing how to upload for new branch. So you come here, you come to church branch. So now let's go for event. Event is programs you have. That's for this program. So let's just visit it here and see it here. Programs. That's for events. So you can see the events we have one, two, just these two we have here. So if you want to create new one, the same thing, create events. Click you can see it create events. Enter the title of the event, enter the body of the event, what date is it, the start date, what's the venue, is it echoes where's the venue, what's the end date, what is the address. You can enter it. Then enter the image of the event. There's an image. Once you're done, click save. It's going to display here as part of it. So the more you save, the more it continues to display. So we'll go back to, let's see the next one. The next one is event voice. So let's say you have the PDF. Same thing here. You enter the title of that PDF. Let's view it here. Where do we have it? We have it here. So we have two here. Just come over here, enter the title of that publication, enter it, select the image of it, enter the PDF. PDF is composed, you can see it. Enter the PDF, enter the date that this was published, and click save. Once you do that, it's going to reflect here automatically. You see it here. And when someone clicks it and try to view it, they can click and let's see what comes up. They can click and also they can just download it here. And see once you click it, it downloads automatically. So you don't have to do all this part. All you just need to do is to do your own end from your own end here. Once you upload here, it displays there. So the next part we'll go into is how to add new content. photo gallery. Let's say we have photo gallery. I don't think there's something in this part, but this is just for pictures here. So you have title, body content, add the image, and then you can add tags to it. I think that's majorly it. So yeah, you click save. Same thing. What we'll go to add, we'll go to send. Oh, we've done sermon already. So that is all about this session. So once you're able to do that, it's going to take you to all the sessions we have. So just go back to home page. I think if there's any other things, then you can clear your cache here, and that's it. So once you clear your cache, you're back to the main page. I think that's all for now. The last one I'm going to do would be how to create a registration form. I think that should be another step. Once we're done with that, I think we're fine. I'll do that part and then we'll be good to go. Thank you very much for your time, and let's see in the next part. Thank you.